Greetings everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I aim to provide you with an extensive overview of the Airalo eSim service, including its functionalities and advantages. To start off, let's clarify what an eSIM actually is. An eSIM, or electronic SIM, eliminates the need for a physical SIM card by allowing you to purchase and install a SIM profile directly onto your device. One of its primary benefits is enabling dual SIM functionality on devices that support only one physical SIM slot. Additionally, it offers the flexibility to use SIM profiles from various countries, facilitating seamless connectivity during international travel. Airalo emerges as one of the leading eSIM providers in the market. They offer a user-friendly app available on both iOS and Android platforms, simplifying the process of activating eSIMs. Before delving into the activation process, there are a couple of prerequisites to consider. Firstly, ensure that your device is unlocked, allowing it to accept SIM profiles from different carriers. Secondly, verify if your device supports eSIM functionality. While most modern smartphones do, it's always prudent to confirm compatibility through a quick online search. Once you've confirmed compatibility, proceed to download the Airalo app from the respective app store. Within the app, you'll find a comprehensive list of countries where you can purchase local or regional eSIMs. These eSIMs come with varying data plans and validity periods, catering to diverse user needs. For instance, if you frequently travel within a specific region, opting for a regional eSIM could be more cost-effective than purchasing individual local eSIMs. Furthermore, Airalo offers global eSIMs providing coverage across multiple countries, ideal for globetrotters seeking uninterrupted connectivity. Upon selecting your desired eSIM, complete the purchase within the app itself. The purchased eSIM will be saved within the app for future activation. When you reach the destination country, simply activate the eSIM to begin utilizing the purchase plan. Airalo's platform also boasts additional perks, including a referral program offering credits for successful referrals. This can further enhance the value proposition for users. In summary, Airalo stands out as a reliable eSIM provider due to its competitive rates, extensive coverage, and user-friendly interface. Whether you're a frequent traveler or require multiple SIM profiles for business purposes, Airalo offers a versatile solution to meet your connectivity needs.